Okay, last class we discussed about the Cannizzaro reaction. So self Cannizzaro reaction. Second one is crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So formaldehyde always undergo oxidation. It is always hydride donor. Okay. So next one, in Cannizzaro reaction, the rate of reaction depend upon the concentration of base. When concentration of base is high, it is a fourth order reaction. Concentration of base is low, it is a third order reaction. So next point, so in self Cannizzaro reaction, it is a disproportionation reaction. In crossed Cannizzaro reaction, it is a redox reaction. So next one, when the aldehyde group have electron releasing group, it is a good hydride donor. When aldehyde group have electron withdrawing group, it is more reactive towards OH minus group. But here you consider only OH group attacking species. So OH group attacks which species readily. Okay, so that's why in Cannizzaro reaction, which aldehyde group have electron withdrawing group, it is more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so now in comparison between the aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehydes, so aliphatic aldehydes always undergo oxidation or more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction than compared to aromatic aldehydes. Okay, so aliphatic aldehydes are more reactive than compared to aromatic aldehydes towards Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, next one, you see another example. So this compound, so it have no alpha hydrogen, it undergo Cannizzaro reaction. So it is a intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so in that reaction you get three products. Okay, so here it gives you two isomers. One is cis isomer, second one is trans isomer. Okay, so trans isomer, it have a center of symmetry, it is optically inactive. Cis isomer, it is optically active. So you get three products. So here also the given compound have two aldehyde groups. This pi bond electron shifted to here, OH minus attacks here. So this bonded electron shifted to here, at the same time this bonded electron shifted to here, H minus shift takes place, hydride shift takes place. So it is acid, it donating a H plus ion to give in slightly acidic medium, it treated with dilute acid. You get oxidation product, another one is reduction product. But generally you see in several books, so here reaction takes in presence of acidic medium, H plus attacks here, loss of water molecule, OH attacks here, you get ester. But here esterification is not possible, already I told you, because esterification takes in presence of concentrated H2SO4. So here esterification takes in presence of concentrated H2SO4. So loss of water molecule, we get ester. But in dilute acidic medium, esterification not possible. In dilute acidic medium, esterification not possible. Esterification takes in presence of concentrated H2SO4 or a high concentrated acidic medium. Okay, so you get this product. Okay, now you see another example. So it is a previous IIT question, previous JEE question. Treated with OH minus and followed by dilute acidic medium, not concentrated acidic medium. So actually here you get how many number of products? So here we get number of products 2. So already you know, one group undergo oxidation, another group undergo reduction. So this is undergo oxidation, it is undergo reduction, this is undergo oxidation, this is undergo reduction. This is one product. So another possibility, so it is a product A. CH2OH, COOH. So product A, it is optically active or optically inactive. So product A, it is optically inactive. It is optically inactive. Okay, because two similar groups lie on same side. So it is a x-axis. Now it is optically active, there is no plane of symmetry. It is optically active. Okay. Now this compound treated with concentrated H2SO4 in dilute acidic medium, you get this product. Already you know reaction mechanism. First you get carboxylic acid, it is acid donating the H plus ion. So the H plus ion attacks alkoxide. Okay. So to give alcohol and carboxylate anion, it treated with the dilute acid to give carboxylic acid. So this is the answer. Okay. In previous JEE question. So when it treated with the concentrated H2SO4, now it undergo dehydration, loss of water molecule. It undergo dehydration, loss of water molecule, you get this product. Okay. In the previous JEE question, so option is this is the correct answer because it treated with the dilute acid. Okay. So, but it is not correct answer because ester is formed in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Okay. So, answer is this one in previous JEE question. Okay. When it treated with dilute acid, we get this product. Treated with the concentrated H2SO4, we get this product. Okay. So next one. So this compound treated with this one in presence of basic medium, we get which product? Now you see here, this is a carbonyl carbon. It have alpha hydrogen. First OH minus subtract the proton from this carbon. We get carbon anion. This carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. Okay. Now it reacts with 1, 2, 3, 4. It have a double bond. But 2 on 3 in. So it have a conjugated system. This pi bond electron shifted to here. This pi bond electron shifted to here. This carbon have positive charge. It attacks here. So it is a fourth carbon. 1, 2, 3. Okay. O minus. Okay. So it is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Fourth carbon attacks here. It have double bond. So third carbon it have double bond. Now it accepting the proton from solvent, from water. We get this one. Now it can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. It can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. Now reaction takes in presence of basic medium. Now it is alpha carbon. Okay. So abstract the proton from this carbon. We get carbon anion. We get carbon anion. So this pi bond electron shifted to here. It attacks here. O minus. You get this one. It accepting the proton from water. On heating, it loss of water molecule. On heating, it loss of water molecule. You get product instead. Okay. So in this reaction, so it is all condensation. Okay, so all condensation takes place in this reaction because it have alpha hydrogens. Okay. Now you see another example. So it treated with OH minus to give A. It treated with para-methyl benzaldehyde to give B. Okay, so it on heating it loss of water molecule to give C. C treated with S1 to give D. Okay. Now this D is treated with okay, Li, sorry. Okay, identify A, B, C, D. So first one, it have alpha hydrogen. Okay, it have alpha hydrogen. It attract the proton from this carbon to give carbon anion. So this carbon anion reacts with the para-methyl benzaldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here. It attacks here. So it attacks here. C double bond to O. CH2 CO minus H. This one para-methyl. Now it accepting the proton from water. C double bond O, CH2, COH, H. So it easily undergo water molecule, loss of water molecule because due to conjugation, okay, no need of temperature. So it easily loss of water molecule to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. CH, CH, so para-methyl. Now we treated with O minus Li plus. It have a conjugated system. So this compound treated with O minus Li plus. Okay. So now it have negative charge. Okay. So it is a nucleophile. It have a conjugated system. This pi bond electron shifted to here. Sorry. So this bonded electron shifted to here. This electron shifted to here. It can exhibit resonance. Now it exhibit resonance. Carbon have negative charge. So here O minus it is a nucleophile. C minus it is also nucleophile. So which is better nucleophile? C minus or O minus? So absolutely C minus it is a better nucleophile than compared to O minus. Now this lone pair of electron shifted here, this electron shifted here. So carbon have negative charge. This pi bond electron shifted to here. this pi bond electron shifted here, it attacks here. So CO minus double bond C this pi bond electron shifted here. This carbon have positive charge CH CH3 O. Okay, now it accepting the proton from water. We get this one. C OH double bond CH CH CH3 double bond O. So it is enol. It can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. It can exhibit keto-enol tautomerism. C double bond O, CH2, CH, you get this product. So this is a final product. Okay, so actually here O cannot attach on this carbon because it have a conjugated system. This lone pair of electron shifted to here, this lone pair electron shifted to here. Carbon have negative charge. So C minus, it is a good nucleophile then compared to O minus. So that's why here C minus attacks on this carbon. Okay, when this pi bond electron shifted to here, this carbocation is stabilized by conjugation. It is benzyl carbocation. It is more stable resonance. Okay.